Hey guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick kind of first impressions video. So what I wanted to try it on was this new Yes Chew Coconut Hydrate and Restore 2-Step Lip Kit. So I just wanted to see if it was worth buying or not. I didn't even know it was a lip kit. I've had this for a while, but I was kind of intrigued by it. I bought it at Target for $2.50, so I thought I would just kind of test it out for you guys and see if it's worth it. I mean, I know it's only $2.50, so you're not losing out on much, but still, why waste money if you don't have to, right? So for those of you new to my channel, this is kind of my thing. I like to buy drugstore brands of makeup, and I'm kind of dipping into the new beauty, beauty products as well. So I thought this would be a good fun thing to test it out. And I'm also intrigued. I've always wanted like fuller lips, but like I've said in my videos before, that is not something, you know, my husband wants me to do, nor is it really something I would want to do. I am such a weenie when it comes to needles. Tattoos are totally different though. Tattoos I can handle. Needles, when it comes to like shots and stuff like that, I can't do it. So I probably won't ever do it. But yes, so step 1, which is up here, is to apply the scrub in small packet to dry lips and massage gently to exfoliate, rinse with warm water, or wipe off with a wet washcloth. So we are just going to dip into this, and I'm going to do it all here. I'm not going to wash my lips here though, because then I take my camera off my my pod, and I really don't want to have to do that. So I'm just going to, we'll just use my handy dandy scissors here. I thought this would be a quick fun video to do. Oh, and you open it anyway, so that's good to know. So it just says, massage before you open, and it's just like a little exfoliant. It looks like it might be, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like white. I can see like some brown in there. So we're just gonna massage. And yeah, this is as real as you're gonna get. I literally got out of the shower, brushed my hair, and I'm like, okay, I gotta film, so this is as real as it's gonna get. So I'm just gonna open it. This is a lot of product for just your lips, so I'm just gonna put it on. Kind of smells like vanilla cupcakes. Got it in my mouth. So this is a single-use lip kit. I feel like I'm brushing my teeth. Alright, so I am going to go wipe my lips with some warm water, and I'll be right back, guys. So it definitely leaves like a... So when I was wiping it, like when I was damping it off with some cool water, it definitely was going to almost not a paste, but like a lubricant kind of feel. I know that's weird to say. And then it almost, I don't know, it was really, my lips are super soft though. So then, it says with this, I'm dying. I don't know. What are the instructions here? There's like a lot of products still though on that thing. It says apply the lip mask to fit the curves of your lips. Leave on for 15 minutes for plumper, softer lips. No need to pucker. That pout can be seen a mile away. Tingling? Yes, it's working. It says if there's too much tingling to take it off, which when I did their face mask, I don't think it was the coconut. I can't remember. It was cucumber. Oh my god, it burned my face, so I had to take it off. So, oh, it smells weird. So taking it out of the package, it does smell weird, and it's in like this little lip kind of thing here. So I'm kind of like, which part am I supposed to which part am I supposed to, like, they don't dumb these instructions down. I should have like watched people's videos, but this is like wet. I mean, wet. Am I supposed to cut it? Like, what the frick? It's just super bubbly. I'm not sure which side we're supposed to put on the lips, so we're just gonna roll with it. Alright guys, so I just finished the 15 minutes. I took it off my lips. Felt zero tingling. Noticed zero difference. So for me, I'm going to have to say just save your money because that was a waste. So, yeah, my lips just feel like they have like this waxy sensation. I almost feel like they're dried out. But yeah, I noticed zero difference in my lips and what they look like. So yeah, I just would save your money and buy something that you know is going to work. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And then I will see you guys back here on Sunday. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you guys then. Bye guys.